off in dreamland. Sweet little girl. Little princess. Yeah, look at her. Hi, honey. You sleepy girl? Little sweetheart? You such a sweet little baby girl. I love you, little BeeBee. The pooption. Or the snooky poo. My little puppy girl. I love you, precious. I do. I love you so much, BeeBee. You're such a good baby girl. You're a sweetheart. Yeah. Oh, say, it's a pretty one. Oh, it's a pretty one. Let's touch that little tongue. Let's touch that little tongue. Oh, what are you going to do now? Oh, say. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you now. What a precious, precious baby. How would you like a little tummy tickle now? Could you go for a little tummy tickle? Should go for a little tummy tickle now. That's a little baby girl. Oh, son. Wants a nice tummy tickle. Very accommodating. Very accommodating little girl. How about a little chest tickle too? Should go for that? Oh, I hear Howie bark. He's barking at fireworks. It's New Year's Eve, 2010. He's going outside to take care of it now. Little baby girl. I love you, precious. Happy New Year.